Hey guys, my name is Shaan and today I'm going to be reviewing the Beats Studio 3 wireless. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, let's get started. So taking a look at the actual Beats Studio Wireless 3, it looks amazing, and looking into the box, the unboxing experience is actually really cool. The first thing you do see is the hard shell case with the Beats inside of it, and then a little bit of a quick start guide and a couple cables with a clip also. The clip itself says Beats and is supposed to go around the hard shell case just in case you ever want to carry it around and hook it up to a backpack or something. It is very easy to do so. The next thing you do get is the cable, what does come with fast charging. So what this means is if you plug it in for 10 minutes you get 3 hours of charge, and that is very cool. So you just have to plug it in for 10 minutes and you can listen for a good 3 hours, and this just shows you how much you can actually get from just charging it. Now the next cable you do go ahead and get is the auxiliary cable, what has a inline control where you can always plug it in, what is always nice to have. And once again, if you don't know the battery life of the Beats Studio Wireless 3, you get 40 hours with active noise cancellation off and 22 hours with noise cancellation on. Now the next thing you do go ahead and get is a little box with quick start guide and everything in there, with a nice big Beats sticker just in case you do want to go ahead and use that. But other than that, everything in this video will show you what it has, but it is pretty cool to go ahead and get it. Now the Beats Studio Wireless 3 comes in a hard shell case, what is very nice to go ahead and travel with 10 years imprinted right on the front. Opening it up is actually a little bit cool with the zipper style feeling, with also a nice texture on the outside for the actual case. The Beats Studio Wireless 3 fits in there perfectly fine and has a nice snug fit. Now the Beats itself says Beats right on the top, and it has the Beats logo towards the left and right side with a nice new design. It also has the power button and 5 LEDs towards the one side to go ahead and tell you the battery, and towards the other side you have the volume rockers and also the play and call button. You also have the 3.5mm auxiliary port to the side with a mic. Now you can remove the stickers to go ahead and not show this. Now it says wireless towards the side and wireless Studio 3 towards the other side. The headphones itself do snap in and out very easily and can be adjusted to fit any sort of head size. Now the ear cups itself feel very comfortable and can be worn for hours on hours, as it just feels so nice and comfy. Now also towards one side you can go ahead and charge it with the power button, LED light on the power button, and also the 5 LEDs to show you your battery status. Now connecting it to a phone, it just says Beats Studio 3 and connects to my S10 Plus really quickly like it would on any Bluetooth Android device. But for iOS it's even simpler. You just turn it on, and using the Proximity W1 chip, it will go ahead and connect to your iPhone quickly. Now doing so on the Apple products, it will sync with any sort of iCloud connection, so you can switch between your iPad, iPhone, MacBook, and right away when I connect it through to my MacBook Pro over here, it does change the name to my full name, Beats Studio 3. What I was quite surprised, but it automatically took that into its own hands. Now from the actual options, you can go ahead and change it from noise cancellation to normal. What I found was actually pretty cool instead of doing it so on the headphones, as there was no options on doing that on an Android platform or any sort of other laptop with Bluetooth or any Bluetooth connectivity, and it seems to only be an iOS feature, but once again you can do that from within the Beats itself. Now the Beats Studio Wireless 3 itself sounds pretty good. I thought it was actually amazing, and it definitely does a great job. Now for noise cancellation, with the active noise cancellation, it reduces the battery by half. What I find is pretty useful, but I guess if you do want that 40 hours of battery life, definitely turn off active noise cancellation. Now how it is when the music is actually playing, you cannot really hear anything outside of what you are currently hearing, but if there is no music playing, you will be able to hear your surroundings a little bit less, but you'll still be able to hear everything that's going on around you. So overall, I think the Beats Studio 3 wireless is an amazing pair of headphones that I definitely do recommend if you do want to spend the money for it. Other than that, there are many other headphone options around there that can get you very good performance for less the price. And once again, I think the Beats Studio 3 wireless is amazing, but for the price, I'm not completely sure that it is worth the money. But if you always do have it, go ahead and spend it. But if you don't, or you want something a little bit cheaper, there are many other options, and I do have a couple of reviews on it if you go ahead on my channel and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I upload a new video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.